Okay, so I have to do like the intro for this video, so I'm just gonna put this microphone on. You guys are gonna be able to see it because it's fine. Okay, good enough. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and it has been a minute. I feel like I have not posted in so long. I think it's actually been like almost 2 weeks. My last video that I posted was talking about me wanting to do more creative videos, which this is not an example of that. I just really wanted to work on like a more creative video, so I've been kind of working on that, but I wanted to actually post something in the meantime. So I figured since I was doing something a little bit more fun today that I would make this video. If you haven't noticed, there is a new addition to my room. It is this beautiful little desk dresser thing. It is vintage from the 1960s and I'm absolutely in love with it. I don't know how many of you guys remember this, but I had this garment rack like right behind my door, and I always made jokes that it was gonna fall because there was like way too much stuff on it, and it actually ended up falling. Thankfully, it was not in the middle of the night. I mentioned it on my community tab that it actually fell, but it was something that I was trying to get rid of anyway because it was a little bit too cluttered and it didn't really match the rest of my room. But anyway, so I ended up being able to store everything that was on the garment rack in my closet, which was really, really great. I figured I needed to do something with this space, and I do have like a storage problem when it comes to accessories, especially hats and handbags. So I really wanted to find something that would be a lot more useful to actually store all those pieces that I needed to store. So I ended up finding this beautiful piece of furniture, which is kind of like a display case, drawer, and a desk all combined. So there's like a window display case here at the front, there's some drawers at the bottom, and then this section like opens up and it's like a little like desk as well. So it's really, really cool. I really love it. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It was $125, I believe. I think originally it was $150, but I was able to get it for $125, which was really amazing. But anyway, so I cleaned it all out already, and I also put in some like little dryer sheets on the inside so that it would smell really nice and fresh like detergent, as well as these little bags with these scented unstoppable thingies from like laundry. So when you open it up, it literally hits you in the face because it smells like detergent. It just smells like I just did laundry inside this dresser, which is awesome. So yeah, it smells really nice and fresh. It's all nice and clean, and now I'm just gonna organize it and put everything on the inside, like all the hats and like scarves and stuff on the inside. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna be taking you guys along. You guys can help me organize and see how I put everything together. Side note, can we talk about how cute this outfit is? I've had all of these pieces in my closet for at least 4 or 5 years, and I've never actually put it together, but I actually really like how it looks. It has a very like school, prep school kind of like style to it, which I really like. You guys know I love that kind of like prep school style anyway. So yeah, I actually really, really like this outfit. I think it's so cute. I'm starting to realize that I actually might have a hat problem. Not exactly sure how to start. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find like the smallest hats so that I can put them in the little display case. So something that isn't like super bright and also small enough to fit in the little shelf. So for example, maybe something like this one that's like a little pillbox hat. It's a little bit smaller, really, really cute. I actually haven't worn this hat in a really long time, but anyway, so something like this would be really great. Or even something like this one. It's like a little half hat. Looks like this, really nice and small, and also the color is not super bright like these red ones here. Oh my god, I have way more hats than I thought I did. All of these. There are so many hats in all of these boxes. I think these ones are fascinators. Not fascinators, like half hats like these ones. And then in that one, I think there's actual hats. Okay, let me like go through all of these. Would this fit? I don't even know. Okay, so again, we're gonna ignore the microphone because I don't feel like putting it through my shirt and like the whole thing. So I finished with the little display case at the top, and now I'm gonna work on the drawers. So I have 3 different drawers. So the top one I believe is gonna be silk scarves, which currently live in this box that was underneath the garment rack. And then in the second one, I'm going to be putting all of like these really thick kind of like blanket scarves that I have for the winter. They're underneath my bed right now, so that's gonna free up some space for some handbags that I have like tossed all over my room. And then in the bottom drawer, I think I'm going to put all of my grandmother's like linen-y type things like doilies and stuff like that, which are currently in this polka dot box, which I can get rid of after I finish storing that. And yeah, that's pretty much the plan. Oh, this is a really unflattering angle, isn't it? Maybe I should move this. Oh my god, the mess behind me. This whole video is a giant mess. Just ignore the mess behind me, okay? Oh my god, I have so many of like these thingies. I love linens like this. They are so cute. Starting with the silk scarves, and this side's going to be like the fall winter section. This is going to be the tall skinny scarves, and this is going to be like the spring summer section. I haven't had a desk since like elementary school, because when I was in high school I was like, I don't need a desk, I want a dresser so that I can have more clothes. Clearly I was not a scholar back then. So now I actually have like a little desk area, which I'm really excited for, so I'm going to start putting some of my stuff in here. Here are some things that I would really like to put in this little desk section, so like my diary. I also have these 2 little notebooks that I think would look really nice in there. I have a little fountain pen in here that I got for Christmas. I also have this one, which is like the feather, which I think would be really cool to like stand up in there. I have this little light like this. And then I also have like my little thank you cards. I don't really know if you can see them, but yeah. Okay, so I'm still kind of like playing around with the little desk section. It's not perfect yet, and I'm probably not going to finish it today, but for the time being, I'm just going to do the outro for this video because I am running out of daylight right now, and I have a feeling if I leave it till the very end, I'm just going to forget. So I hope you guys liked this video and it wasn't like super boring. I know it wasn't like the most exciting video, but I actually had a lot of fun, so I'm glad you guys were able to hang out with me and we can do this together. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe as well as turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!